Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello all, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I am Pallavi and as you already know that to solve all your tiffin worries, we are here to give you a new recipe for every school day. So today we are going to make cornmeal with tofu Manchurian, which is a delicious Indian Chinese recipe and very easy to make at home. So let's see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. First we'll make the tofu Manchurian. We'll heat the pan. Pan is nicely hot. We'll add the oil. So now oil is hot. We'll add the vegetables, pepper, some chopped asparagus for the wonderful fibers and everyone's favorite mushroom. And now some baby corn. Look at all the beautiful colors of the vegetable in the pan. You know, vegetables are excellent source of vitamins and minerals. So now vegetables are done, we'll add our Kissan Manchurian Sauce. And now we'll just give it a quick stir. You know, Kissan Manchurian Sauce is a Chinese sauce which is made with soy sauce and aromatic spices, which helps you to give that authentic Chinese taste at home just in few minutes. So all the vegetables and sauce is ready and now it's time to add the tofu. You should not add the tofu like earlier because tofu doesn't need to get cooked a lot because the protein in the tofu needs to be conserved. So we'll just mix it. So my tofu Manchurian is absolutely ready. Let's pack our tiffin box. You know, the recipe is cornmeal with tofu Manchurian. So I've already prepared my cornmeal and it's super easy to prepare this cornmeal. Just put the cornmeal in the pan, add some water and boil it with salt and pepper. And it's very healthy and fibrous. So we'll make a nice bed of cornmeal in the tiffin box. Now we'll top it with our tofu Manchurian. And now time to add some more health. Papaya and some cashew nuts. So there you go. Cornmeal with tofu Manchurian, my Indo-Chinese at home in the morning in a simple and easy way. I hope कि आपको ये recipe पसंद आई हो. Subscribe to India Food Network and I will be back with a new recipe just for you to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.